Welcome to my channel, The Technology Freak. Today I'm going to show you how to use Excel and how to enter data in an Excel sheet. So you can see that there are three sheets. This is a mark sheet that I've created before. This is sheet 2. This is sheet 3. In Windows 7, three sheets are already opened by default. But from Windows 8 to Windows XP, only sheet 1 is given. So how to add a new sheet? There's a plus sign here at the bottom. You need to click to add a new sheet. You may change its position like this by pressing and pulling it. Okay. Now first we will work on sheet 2. Now how to enter data. So you can see here written A, B, C, D, E, F, and if you want to see, I'm going to show you that there are many letters till X, Z, A, Z. I'm sorry, A, Z. You want to see? Here you go. Till Z, Z. There are lots and lots of things out here, but generally we work from A to X, not much. Now, in school life, you will need from A to mainly S, but from office and college, you will need A to X. Okay. Now you can see that there are numbers here, and there are a lot of numbers. Generally, we need till 209, not more than that, in general cases. But many a times you can need the others. Now, how to merge cells? That means you can see that there are lines up here, checkboards called a rectangle type, but we need to flatten it fully white. So when you can see a square here at A1, and we are going to just go there, and it changes to a black bold plus sign. Now we're going to pull this from the place you want to merge. I'm going to do it till G, and I'm going to merge and send. I'm going to click here. My Windows is Windows 10 and Excel is Microsoft Excel 2016. Now I want to do the second cell as well, second row. So what I'm going to do again, I'm going to pull it from here, merge and center. Now you're going to see that there are two lines but not checkboards. So I'm going to pull it from here. Now two times we have to click. 1, 2. Okay. You can see that it is flattened. Now we're going to write something. What we are going to write? Daily expense. Okay. So daily, I'm sorry, D A, sorry. So you've already learned how to enter data in the first cell. Now let's write price and items, quantity, place, date. Okay. Okay. Now let the price be 10 rupees. So R S 10, or you can just simply write 10. Items, let's write chips because I just love chips. So chips. I'm sorry for the spellings because a little hurry, no problem. Quantity, let's make it okay. Now you can see that the Y is not visible. So we're gonna go to C. You can see a plus sign or little cross sign. You're gonna just expand it. You can see. Now, if you ask me about the formatting we can do later because formatting is something which should be done later so that it helps you. It's aidful to you. Okay. If you want, you can do it at the first time, no problem. Now, quantity, let's write 1. Place. I live in Kolkata, so I'll write Kolkata, or you can also write KOL. See, it has fit in properly. I thought it would not. And the date, today's date is 16/5. Now you may ask me, why didn't you write a 0 in the month, 05? It's not mandatory, but if you want, you can write. It will show a little more standardized. Now I want to copy the same thing over and over again. Same. So I'm going to just put it, and you may see 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now chips. Put it. Chips, 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 chips. Now this, in the case of numbers, it's gonna go consecutively. For the words like chips, it went on chips, chips, chips. But for the numbers, you see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it will go consecutively. So here it would go till I think 8. Oh my god, it continued. Okay, Kolkata will remain same. And the date. Let's see for the date. Okay, you see, it changed the year, man. 21, 22, 23, 24. That's funny. At least we would get released from the coronavirus. Okay, now you want to rename the sheet to daily expense. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the sheet, give a right click, you'll get the option of renaming. Click on that, click on the backspace and give your desired name. Since I've given the heading as daily expense, so I'm going to write it daily expense. Now this can be of the uppercase, this can be of the lowercase, no problem. And then I enter. You see, so easy. Now how to save this? Now formatting. Okay, now I'm gonna format just how you format in MS Word. You can do it like when increase the size. You can check on the colors. I'm gonna just give a black background color right now. So yeah, see, it's done in no minutes. So don't worry. You can change the color like this. Okay, like you select one, click on the plus sign, go down, then you may just like change the color to red. See, it's so simple, so simple. Again with one. Now just suggest me a color. Let's go for green. Okay, not bad. We'll go for brown this time. Green and brown, maybe making down a tree. Okay, so you see, this is absolutely easy and absolutely comfortable, I think. Hope so. Now this is going to be 16/5/2029 if I'm not very wrong. Yes. See, this is so easy. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to save. How to save a file? Go to File, Save As. This is because this is the first time you're doing. Save As. Maybe I want to save it on the desktop. So now I'm going to give the desired name, maybe daily expense. And you don't need to give the extension. Generally in Windows 7, Windows 8, you need to give the extension as .xlsx, 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 because this is the extension for Excel workbook. But since you can see save as type Excel workbook, so no problem, and then save. See, if you save. Now if you want to do any change, maybe rupees 90 or rupees 20 you want to write. So rupees 20. Okay. Now it again you have to, now this time you don't have to click on save as, you have to click on save. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you, it's, you know, it's free to subscribe and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much.